in life mostly from experience. We learn from each other din kapag nagta-travel. Kasi kapag pupunta naman tayo sa isang lugar, parang it's not as comfortable as our own home. So may mga situation na parang natetest din yung pasensya natin sa isa't isa.
So, paano nagsimula ang lahat?
Basta naalala ko, April or May 2014, dun kita ako nang nakita. Curious talaga ako kasi sabi mo nga, seryoso ako, tapos parang ikaw palagi kang masaya. Iniisip ko, bakit ang saya naman itong taong to? Ang lahat friends mo, eventually na-realize ko na this is just not a relationship for the sake na maging mag-boyfriend and girlfriend tayo. Yung one thing siguro is sobrang na-appreciate ko kung paano mo binavalue yung family mo.
This will be the first time na I'll try to be a better person. Kasi dati sabi ko, ibibigay ko lang yung effort ko as a good girlfriend and partner after ikasal. Pero natutunan ko din na dapat pala all the while, within the journey of the relationship, dapat inaayos ko din yung sarili ko. So parang di ko naman na din naiisip na iba na yung kasama ko. Parang lahat naman nung naiisip ko, ikaw yung kasama ko lagi.
Alabas tayong Sunday. The night before, naghahanap ako kung anong pwedeng gawin. Anong gagawin natin after magsimba nga. Saan pwedeng kumain. So, kunyari lang hindi ko alam. Pero, naisip ko na yun the night before.
Lagi ko na nun nilulook forward yung Sunday. Hindi na siya parang patay na araw. Tapos actually, binalik mo nga ako sa pagsisimba nun. Kasi hindi na nga rin ako makasimba.
Ang personality ko is conservative na I tend to overthink a lot of things, diba? So, feeling ko yung strength mo, nahihiram ko, is yung pagiging spontaneous mo lang. Whatever happens, matuloy man yan as good as it should be, or should it feel, alam ko, nandyan ka, sasabihin mo, okay lang yan, at least you tried.
Naalala ko na kasi yung nag-medical leave ako ng 2019 na na-diagnose nga ako ng clinical depression. Nung time na yun, hindi ko naman din alam na I wasn't well. Tapos, nandyan ka lang to support. Parang at the time, may mga friends ako na hindi nila yun naiintindihan. So, parang sinasabi lang, pray ka lang kay Lord. Pero wala naman ako narinig sa'yo na kahit ano. Hindi ko din narinig na nagreklamo ka. So, parang na-appreciate kita nun na inalalayan mo ko emotionally and mentally. Kasi feeling ko talaga nun, bakit pa ako nag-i-exist? Ganun yung feeling ko nun. Ikaw yung nag-open up na, may iniisip ka ba? Tapos, unsure ako kung meron nga. Tapos, pipilitin mo kung ilabas, tas malalabas, tas magiging okay na ako ulit. So parang feeling ko mas nagmamatter sa akin yung everyday kesa yung highlights of everything.
Hold my hand and I'll hold yours. Lazy morning in boxer shorts on the couch in the house that you painted yellow and blue. Every room, yeah, I think I'm in love with you. Every day. Every day. Every day.
Kung may goal ako, ang palaging sinasabi sa sarili ko, or yun yung motivation ko for our relationship. We didn't start na super best. Siguro, ako personally, alam ko when we started the relationship, sobrang all over the place ako. Katulad nga sinasabi mo, you made it work by compromising for us. Lalo na ng first few years natin. Kaya ang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, you helped me when parang hindi ako okay. You helped me. Kaya, deserve mo yung every bit of my very best. yun yung goal ko. To be my very best every day. Kasi, tinulungan mo ko when I was at my worst.
Even when it hurts, there's no regret. And every breath you give is one you get. When you fall in love, yeah.
I love you because you are you and you make me happy.
When you fall in love, you lose control. You can't hang on and you can't let go. When you find the one you hold on tight, you weather every storm till the sun shines. And even when it hurts, there's no regret. And every breath you give is another one you get.
I love you because you compliment me. You help me do things na I don't think I can do if wala ka.
When you fall in love.